Today's color palette was chosen to enhance the rustic vintage look in this dahlia. The bright sky blue background pops the dahlia. It makes the dahlia stands out so much, and the green just enhance it even more. I love it, guys. Check out today's video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm attempting another beautiful, rustic, neutral, classic dahlia. Okay, the colors I'm using will be listed in the description box below, but I could tell you that I'm using all metallics, using pearl white, I'm using champagne gold, and I'm using espresso gold. So those are the three colors, but the green that I'm using as well, it is sap green by Artist Loft and the yellow green by Artist Loft. So they're both Artist Loft green paint. And with this blue background, it's custom mix. It's Artist Loft floor acrylic mix, the blue mixed with the white. I just wanted it to be a bit soft but bright at the same time. So I do hope you guys enjoy the video, and of course if you do, give this one a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. All right guys, so here I am just using the spoon to swipe the leaf, and I just want to show you guys that you have to take control of your art. Remember that you're in control of it. So if you're swiping the leaves, or if you're swiping the petals for the dahlia and it's not coming out the way you want, add more paint, go again. Okay, just like what you see I was doing with the leaf just now. So don't get disheartened, just practice and be patient with yourself. It will come. Okay guys, so I do hope you love it. I'm so happy with the way it turned out and all the shimmer in this. So don't go away guys, watch this video to the end and I will see you for the close-up. If this is your first time checking out one of my dahlia spoon swipe videos, if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial video, check out video number 76 or 78, my white or my purple dahlia, where I do go more in depth. I do show you the consistency of the paint, which it should not be too thin and of course not too thick. Okay, I mix my paint 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. I use the Artist Loft pouring medium. It's a glossy pouring medium, and I do thin it with the Zinsser latex extender, or you can add water. You don't have to use that latex extender to do this technique. Okay, but the paint should not be too thin, because you really don't want to leave too much paint on the canvas whenever you swipe. So that's one of the reasons why if it's too thin, it's not going to work. Also, the base color should be of the same consistency. Okay, and I know when I was swiping the leaves earlier, you guys were probably thinking, oh my gosh, it looks off, it looks ugly, or it doesn't look like a leaf. But then I'm going in with the back of my skewer and I'm using it to define the leaf. So I just draw lines to create a more definition in the leaf. So you can do however, you can have this imagination in your mind and just pull it off. This probably doesn't even look too much like a leaf, but hey, I love the color and I just love the way it flows for me, so I choose to do it this way. All right, so you guys can do it whichever way you want. It's up to you. Also for the dahlia, whenever you swipe in, guys, remember to wipe your spoon clean for each swipe. So after you swipe the first time, you go again, just wipe that spoon. And how you layer your colors is very important. As you can see, I started off with the lighter color and then end up with a dark color. I started off with the pearl white, then the champagne gold, and then the chocolate espresso gold. So this helps to give the flower a more 3D look when you add more layers. You do see the shadowing. which, you know, it helps to give the flower a beautiful 3D look, make it look more, you know, like a dahlia. So that's how I do it. It's up to you how you choose. Just practice, guys, and you have to find your own way. You know, if I do it this way and you try it and it doesn't work for you, you might, you know, do it another way and it might work for you. You have to find what works for you, guys. Okay, I'm just sharing with you my experience, and I do hope to inspire someone to try. And of course, guys, you know, all my paintings are available for purchase. If you're interested in this piece or any other piece that I have, they're all available for purchase, except for the one I just posted, the classic, the one just before this one. It's already sold. Video number 144, I think it is. It's already gone. So I'm gonna try and update my videos and put sold beside the items that's not available. But yeah, you guys can check me on Instagram, camille.amoy.art, or you can email me, camilleamoy@gmail.com. All right, guys, see you for the close-up. Thanks. Here it is, the close-up. I turn all my lights off, so this is just a flash on my phone, and it is just bringing the colors out even more. It's beautiful, guys. I love the shimmer in this, all metallic, so beautiful. And yeah, the dahlia is looking so 3D. It layered so well, and I'm loving it. I love the leaf. I love how the blue background really enhanced this dahlia, and it really allows the dahlia to stand out really well. I'm so loving it, guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry I just painted this video today, so this painting today, so there's no dry result. I just wanted to share this with you. I will show the dry result in a future video. So go ahead, guys, check out my playlist, and I will see you guys next time on Camille Amoy Art. Bye.